of heat. When an object is heated, many changes takes place due to the effects of heat. To understand this, consider the following example. Take a vessel containing few pieces of vegetables and add water to the brim. Then close it with a lid. Heat it till the water boils vigorously. Note down the changes that take place during heating. You will observe the following changes. The water becomes hotter. Water begins to overflow. Steam escapes from the top of the vessel, pushing the lid out of the place as the water boils vigorously and the vegetable pieces get cooked. These changes are brought about in matter by heating. So we can say that changes are causes due to the effect of heat. Now let us consider what are the changes due to the heating. Due to the heating, there are two changes, change in state and change in shape or size. To fix the handle, the ring is heated and it becomes slightly larger, means expand. Now the handle easily fits into the ring. When rings cool, it contract and fits tightly on the handle. On heating the rim of iron, it expands and fit on the wooden wheel. When cold water is poured, the rim it contract and fit on the wheel. So, what we can conclude from this example? We can say most substance, especially metals, expand on heating and contract on cooling. Metal wires, which are used to hang wet cloths, usually bend or sag due to the increase in length in summer. This shows metal expand on heating or increase in temperature. Road materials like concrete have a tendency to expand on heating. Therefore, gaps are left between the blocks of concrete. Railway tracks are laid with small gaps in between. These gaps provide spaces to the railway tracks to expand when temperature increases in summer and helps to prevent any accident. Not only solid but liquid and gases also expand on heating. Contrary to heating, cooling brings about contraction in most substances like solid, liquid as well as in the gases. Solid shows least contraction whereas gases can contract the most. Important point: water has a unique property of expand on cooling and contracting on heating. Most substances expand on heating and contract on cooling. This is called thermal expansion. Now, change in shape. When you poured hot water in plastic bottle, the shape of the plastic bottle changes due to the effect of heat and this change in shape of the object. Let us consider the changes in the state. When liquid is heated, it converts into vapor, which is called evaporation. If you place a plate on this steam, the vapors again converted on liquid on cooling, which is called condensation. When you place these liquid into freeze, it converted into solid, which is called freezing. So what is freezing? Conversion of liquid into solid by cooling the liquid up to its freezing